Hey everyone, this is totally different for me. I'm filming, first of all, not at home. I am in our hotel room, which is the mansion at Forsyth Park in Savannah, Georgia. So this is kind of exciting. I have a big smile on my face because I'm so happy to be here. It's weird. I know this isn't my normal camera. Also, I'm filming actually on my iPhone 11 Pro Max on the forward-facing camera, which is great that I can do that, but I don't know exactly where the camera lens is on this phone. It's hidden behind the black part of the phone, so I think I'm looking at you, so forgive me if I'm not looking at you, and I don't think I'm centered and whatever. So here I am, actually behind me, can you see that? That's the bathroom. See those little doors? They open up and there's a nice soaking tub. Anyway, here we are, and I feel like I always need to say this. So this is not a sponsored vacation. This is a Goldberg sponsored vacation, meaning we paid for this out of our own bank account. And it's worth every penny. It's been amazing. And if you want to see more of that, there is a travel vlog coming. But the last travel video I did, which will be linked around here and in the description box, a few of you asked for me to do a video talking about how I pack my toiletries when I travel. And that does depend on whether I'm traveling by car or by plane and for what purpose. And we flew this time, a little far to drive. But I do want to preface this by saying I'm not a normal person. I don't know how you would define normal, but you know, being an influencer and specifically more beauty and clothing type topics that I cover, I do pack more than the average person. So judge away, but I did have to add that cautionary part. There will probably be more toiletries than the normal person. Also, my hair, one thing about Savannah, even in the winter, it's humid. It's really humid all the time. So today I gave up on my hair. Alrighty then. So I'm gonna start with what's in my TSA travel bag, the TSA toiletry bag. And I will say I applied for and have TSA pre-check, and I'd say 99.9% of the time I get TSA pre-check. Just because you apply for it and have earned that status or paid for it doesn't always mean you get it, number one. And number two, even if you have that TSA pre-check stamped on your ticket, doesn't mean that when you get to the airport, it's gonna work out that way. There's been a handful of times that they didn't have enough manpower with the TSA agents to have the separate TSA pre-check line open, or a machine was down, so they had to consolidate everybody, especially in the smaller airports. So even though having TSA pre-check means technically I do not have to take my liquids out, I do not have to take my shoes off, I do not have to pull my laptop out, I don't have to take my jacket off, etc. If for some reason TSA pre-check isn't working that day or isn't an option that day, you have to be prepared to do all those things. So I still pack my liquids separately just in case, because you do not want to be that person holding up the line or getting flustered and scrambling. So that's why I still pack my liquids separately. And normally I have a cute little Sephora iFly plastic, you know, heavy duty plastic quart size bag. But today I don't. I have an HEB quart size slider bag. Works the same way. So what's in this thing? I also am one of those people who I am a rule follower. If you're not, by all means live on the wild side and choose not to put everything in one of these bags. I just don't want to risk it. So I go by the rules. I go by what's on the Homeland, is it the Homeland Security website? I think it is. So here we go. I have packed my foundation. It's technically liquid. If that it was in my makeup bag and they decided to chuck this, I would have some anxiety. So I've packed my foundation. On this trip, by the way, it's the Dermablend Smooth Liquid Camo. It holds up really well in humidity, I have to say. And my Hollywood Contour Wand, technically also liquid. My lip gloss, the, what is this? The Clarins Instant Light Lip Perfector. Love this lip gloss. My brow mascara. The website says gels, it's a gel. My bottom lash mascara, which is currently the L'Oreal Waterproof Telescopic. I like the skinny little wand. My concealer, you know what, I'm just gonna list everything, or otherwise we'll be here all day. My backup foundation, which normal people, like I said, probably wouldn't have too. I haven't touched this, so not on this trip. Under eye concealer to brighten. My top lash mascara, because I'm extra. My under eye corrector. My other concealer. It's good to have options. I also like options. Liquid lipstick. Haven't used this actually. Thought I would. Didn't. My rollerball of perfume. Getting to the bottom of this. Love this. And my contact lenses, which there were more of when we started because I use daily disposables. And that's it. And there was still plenty of room if I decided to buy more stuff. Now, for my toiletries, I do have, these are the things that do not go in carry-on. This is going to be packed in my checked luggage. I did check a bag, and I had a carry-on, and I had a personal item, whatever. So I wasn't sure how the room situation was going to be. Sometimes I stalk the website of the hotel, sometimes I don't. In this case, I kind of wanted to be surprised. Wasn't sure what the storage situation was going to be like in the bathroom. So oftentimes, instead of one big toiletry bag, I will break it up into what I'm gonna use every day, sort of as wash my face sort of thing, and then shower stuff in and out kind of thing, and then hair stuff in and out kind of thing. So I can tuck all that stuff in a drawer, bring it in and out as needed, which worked out kind of well. This particular bathroom has a nice wide vanity, but there's no drawer space, there's no shelving in the actual bathroom. So we have a big wardrobe with lots of drawer space, so I kept most of it in the wardrobe. I personally don't like a big cluttered vanity, so I didn't want to just leave it all out. So I use a lot of Colleen Rothschild skincare. I've ordered a lot of her discovery kits over the years, and I reutilize the bags for travel all the time. So this is my main one. This is her newest iteration of the Discovery collection, by the way. This is the new bag, which is really, really nice. This is not an ad for it, but I'm really liking the quilted side. And what I really like is this outer pocket. And I have stuffed it full of Band-Aids that are good for blisters because we watched a lot so far and I've used it. Okay, so in here is a headband for pulling my hair back, and one of those silk scrunchies that I love from Amazon to put my hair up. And then what is in here that I use every day, every morning, every day, every night, I should say, for face washing. This is in no particular order. What I'll do is break it down in the description box for AM and PM if you're curious about my skincare routine. So Curology, this is prescription, but you can do it online. I don't have a coupon code or anything for you. I'm just a consumer like you guys, but my current prescription is, if you're curious, it's clindamycin, 1%, azelaic acid, 8%, and tretinoin, which is like Retin-A. It's 0.018%, and I do this every single night now. I think I'm ready to up the tretinoin percentage, but I have my Colleen Rothschild. This came in this kit. It's the Radiant Cleansing Balm. I got a brand new one, so dug into that one on this trip. Toothbrush, toothpaste. I will say these little travel toothbrushes, I love these. Usually when I get to the hotel, I take one of the drinking glasses and use that as my toothbrush holder. I run mine in the dishwasher when I get home. Sterilize it, hopefully, and then it's good to go for the next trip. Neutrogena, I love this. I use this every morning. This is the Rapid Tone Repair Dark Spot Corrector. It has retinol and vitamin C in it, and this is, oh gosh, I think this is my third tube of it. I don't know if I've talked about it on YouTube before, but here you go. Loving it. This is just the container, but these are cotton rounds. It's not, I got this container from my grocery store, H-E-B, and I love that it's a hard case and it snaps shut, and I just keep refilling it with cotton rounds. I'm getting towards the end because we're near the end of the trip. But I've been ordering mine lately from Amazon because I go through 3 of these a day. I've been using this for a few months now. This is the Syrupy Moisturizing Cream for normal to dry skin. It's the same as in the big tub, but this is a little handier for travel size. I started using this at the same time I started using the Curology prescription because I wanted something a little heavier for my daytime moisturizer. And I think this is one of the reasons I haven't had so much peeling, well, any peeling really. And it has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, and I love it. And I have 2 of these. One I keep actually in my travel bag, and then one I have at home in my medicine cabinet. Dental floss, because, you know. Sample time. Okay, these are not in my regular skincare routine, but they're tiny. So I'm almost out of this. This was from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. This came with my Glow Pro. It's a deluxe sample size of the Beauty Bio Quench Eye Cream. This is not what I normally use. I normally use the Colleen Rothschild Complete Eye Cream for my day eye cream, and then as a backup, if I ran out of it, I have the La Mer, because why not? Sample size. These are not in my regular routine. Deodorant, I love this deodorant, by the way. It's the Mitchum 48-Hour Protection Shower Fresh. I am at home using the Donna Karan one, which I also love, but I'm curious to see how that's gonna hold up when it starts getting warm out, because I haven't really tested it under extreme conditions. And now we get to the interesting part, because there's something I want to share. I normally keep these in a baggie, so where's the extra baggie? Ah, there it is. Okay, so you can get these tubes anywhere. I've ordered some of these off Amazon. I picked some up this one's from Target. Your grocery, probably your grocery store. I'll link them from Amazon, but honestly, you can go to Target, Walmart, anywhere and pick these up. You don't have to do anything special. These are refillable travel containers. In here, if you can remember what you put in them, otherwise get a label maker. In this one it's pink. I put it in this pink one because it's pink in real life. It's the Colleen Rothschild Micro Minerals Soothing Toner. And now I don't know that these necessarily would ever leak, but I put them in these, and these are portion pack, kind of like Ziploc baggies. I don't keep these in here when I'm, at my destination, but these are Ziploc baggies that are narrow. They seal at the top, and you can put, travel size, squeeze it so you get the air out. Travel size containers in here. So like a normal snack bag goes up, closes at the top, or on this way. What would you call this? The landscape way. This goes this way. Love it. Genius. Now, I had a whole box of these from CVS. CVS used to sell these. They don't anymore. So I found them on Amazon. I ordered 2 boxes of them. I love them. I do reuse them, which is why this one's kind of dirty. But anyway, so that's what's in here. So if it does open in flight or in transport, whatever, it's contained to this, which you can still then utilize the liquid in here. This is genius. This is not my idea, but I'm passing the idea on to you all. In this one, I'll just start taking them out because I'm not packing up till tomorrow as of filming this. This is Bioderma. This one is my night eye cream because I'm so extra. This is Colleen Rothschild Retinol Supreme Eye Serum. Didn't I say I was not going to tell you everything? I did. Then in this one is my nighttime cleansing oil. You'll see a variety of containers. This one is my daily morning cleanser. This one is my nighttime moisturizer, which is a sample, like a travel size. Not sample, but it's a travel size. And that's all that's in here. And normally, like in this hotel, I've just kept it all kind of in a nice little contained area on my vanity, because it's a huge vanity. Now it's in here. We're gonna go through this quickly. There's a hairbrush that's actually over on the desk over there. That's normally actually in the bathroom. Then I have my wet brush. I have my favorite dry shampoo in the world. This is the hair care section. I have my favorite hairspray, the Aveda Air Control. I have a small collection of random things here. I have the Colleen Rothschild Smooth and Hair Serum, Smooth and Shine Hair Serum, and the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styler. So a squidge of this, a pump of this, mix it together in my wet hair. That's how I style my hair. And lately I've been adding a pump of the Aveda Smooth Infusion. That's my hair styling cocktail, some clips, and then for some reason also I have Laura Mercier body butter in amber vanilla in here. That should really be going in my shower one, but whatever. So that's what's in this one. This is the old Colleen Rothschild container. And then this is my like showering one. So I have 2 of these. I have my travel one and then I have my at-home one. My travel shower cap. Curology did send me a PR thing months ago. They didn't even know that I was already like a user of their product, which was funny. Like a spa headband thing. So when I shower and I don't want to wash my hair, I put this on first, like, you know, like this, and then I put the shower cap on over it so that I don't get the elastic lines in my head. Just a little, if anyone's struggling with that, I just thought I would pass that along. Cannot be the only one. I don't know why the Q-tips are in this. I really need to transfer that to the outer pocket of my everyday. This is my travel shaving cream, because sometimes if I'm traveling, oftentimes I'll use the hotel conditioner, but sometimes that doesn't always work out. So I keep this in there. My travel shampoo, which is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo. I have the full size at home, love it. This is the Colleen Rothschild hair conditioner. Just put it in this little container. It looks so sad in there. And the razor, my razor is in the shower, and then there's a backup travel razor, which is actually the Venus one, which fits that Walmart razor that I was telling you about many eons ago, like last summer. They're made by Gillette. That's not so crazy. You know what? If it is, don't tell me. Keep that comment to yourself. But anyway, that's how I travel, at least via plane, with my stuff, depending on, you know, situation. Like if coming up in April, I'm sharing a hotel room with 2 other ladies, and so probably won't have as much room to store stuff. So I might just do one big bag with all my junk, and then like that big Bice bag that I got in December, so I can just carry it into the bathroom every time and then take it out, just so I won't have as much room to put things everywhere. So just one thing. I'm always fascinated to hear how everybody else does it. I always think somebody's got a better way to do it. And I love watching other people's packing videos, travel videos, etc. Let me know what you think. Give me some recommendations for other travel videos to watch, because like I said, I am obsessed. I used to love watching what's in my bag videos. To me, these have replaced the what's in my bag videos. How do you pack videos are now more my thing. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks for hanging out with me and a little snapshot into my room in Savannah. Stick around and hope you're subscribed to watch the Savannah vlog. Hope that turns out well. I'm still in the middle of filming it, and I'm not gonna play with my hair. Anyway, gotta get going, gotta get ready for our ghost tour later tonight. So I'm gonna say goodbye, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.